In this video, we're checking out this 60-piece set of clear that you can clip onto your house. So basically, I'll use this as an example here on my counter. You would peel the sticker off, and then you could put this on here on the wall like that, and it would stick. And then you slide your cord, your Christmas lights, whatever the case is, through that little gap that you've got right there, where you can kind of see through. And so you can line your house with these. I actually bought these. I've got some Halloween decorations, little light up jack-o'-lanterns that I'm going to be putting around my door frame on my house. And my plan is to use these, and I'll stick them to my door frame, and then I'll be able to hang the lights on them and kind of go over the arch of my front door. So if you're looking for a nice kit of strong, heavy-duty Christmas light clips, definitely check these out. These look like they're well made, look like they're going to hold well, and we highly recommend them.